Hello, welcome to our channel where we share scientific innovations. Please don't forget to like the video.
Attractiveness Centrality, a new centrality formula for travel planning. Abstract. This current study aims to establish a new centrality formula for tourism destinations in effective travel planning. Based on network analysis, the results provide several formulas for measuring centrality derived from our basic algorithm, which we call the Attractiveness Centrality for effective travel planning. Since the attractions at some tourist hub points have an impact on the centrality scores of each destination, they can be utilized for more effective trip planning based on spatial patterns. With this in mind, several implications for future studies and destination authorities were also discussed.
You can access the entire article from the link I left in the description. Please subscribe and like the video.